Watchlist is an easy way to track the stocks or contracts that you are interested in. To add a script to the watchlist, click on the Search tab and enter the name of the stock or index you want to track. Next, you need to select the segment, cash, future, or option. If you select futures or option, you need to select the expiry for which you want to track the contract. In case you have selected option, then after selecting the expiry, you need to select the type of option you want to add, call, or put. After this selection, you also need to select the strike price that you want in your watch list. After entering all the details about the contract, choose the watch list from below in which you want the script to be seen and click on Add to Watch List. Now you can track the selected contract or stock in the selected watch list. Log in the app to try it now.